Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch scenes in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to the Scenes section where you'll see all your available scenes displayed in a list. Switching between scenes is incredibly straightforward. Simply click on any scene from the list and OBS will instantly switch to that scene. This is the quickest method for manual scene switching and works great when you're managing your stream or recording in real time. Alternatively, you can set up hotkeys for even faster scene switching. This method is perfect if you want to change scenes without having to click around during your stream. In the upper left corner of OBS, click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings to open the Settings window. Once the Settings window opens, look at the left panel and click on Hotkeys. This section lets you assign keyboard shortcuts to various OBS functions, making your workflow much more efficient. Scroll down until you find the Scene section. Each scene in your list will have its own entry here with a text field right beside it. Let's start setting up your hotkeys. For your first scene, click on the text field right beside it, then press the key you want to assign. For instance, press F1 to set it as the hotkey for scene 1. This will now allow you to switch to that scene instantly by pressing F1. Now navigate to scene 2 in the list. Right beside it, you'll see another text field. Click on it and set your hotkey. For example, press F2 for scene 2. This creates a dedicated shortcut that switches directly to your second scene. Move on to scene 3. Again, you'll find a text field right beside it. Click on it and set your hotkey. Press F3 for scene 3 to assign that shortcut. Just repeat these exact steps if you have multiple scenes beyond the first 3. Each scene can have its own unique hotkey, making it easy to jump between different layouts during your stream or recording. Once you've assigned all your desired hotkeys, look at the bottom right corner of the settings window. Click Apply to save your changes. Then click OK to close the settings window. Now your hotkeys are active and ready to use. To test them out, simply press F1, F2, and F3 on your keyboard. You'll see OBS instantly switch between your scenes based on the hotkeys you just set up. This method gives you complete control over your scene transitions without ever having to touch your mouse. And that's it. You now know how to switch scenes in OBS both manually and through hotkeys. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.